If you want to learn more about personal credit, business credit, funding, how to start a credit repair business, how to start a funding business, how to start multiple businesses that can create different revenue streams for you inside of a business that you probably already have, affiliate marketing, and so much more. Inside the credit community, this is exactly what I provide, a one-stop shop for everyone who wants to learn more about credit. Because credit is the foundation. Whether we're talking personal credit, business credit, that is going to be the foundation. You want to set it up properly to make sure that you're not wasting any time or money. The credit community is a low monthly membership, which we also have live calls every single month to help you understand more about credit, business, credit repair business, and so much more. We also have Tradelines, personal Tradelines, business Tradelines. You get a discount as a credit community member. You're going to receive $100 off authorized user Tradelines, which we all know is the fastest way to boost your credit score. But here's the thing, even if you're someone that doesn't want to start a credit repair business, doesn't want to start a business, the credit community is still for you, because this is going to teach you everything that you need to know about your credit first, and then you can decide if you want to move on from there. Believe me, once you get into it, it's hard to not think about it and not want to help others. Inside of the credit community, you get authorized user Tradelines that no one else has access to, special pricing, guaranteed to post, a trusted resource to help you and to help people around you. I have a lot of people inside the credit community that actually use me as their Tradeline source because they know that it's a guaranteed post, or we will replace the trade line and replace it with the next best option. So not to mention, we have business trade lines starting at $25,000 going upwards of over $100,000 in business trade lines, because you need comparable credit. And that's what we help you do, is gauge that comparable credit, add comparable credit, and build a strong credit profile on both personal and business credit profiles. Just to get a sneak peek of all of the different access, here's a sneak peek of all of the different classrooms that you have access to with your credit community membership. Buying authorized user trade lines, we have a ton of different videos just on trade lines and how they work. We have Navy Federal Credit Union, how to get in, some master classes that I've had about that. The credit repair secrets, this is itself, tons of information. Credit repair masterclass. There's a ton of classes in here. Credit repair business. There's so many training modules in there if you want to start a credit repair business. But we have just simply credit repair training, and there are just a ton of replays. You have access to everything inside of here. There's no upsell. There's no nothing, because I truly want to help people who want to learn, are ready to learn, want to take action. It's a process. It's not going to happen overnight, but I'm here to guide you along the way, to show you what you need to do, what might I do if I were in your situation. I'm not a lawyer. I don't give legal advice, but I'll connect you to the lawyers who can, and that will support you, your FCRA claims in federal law against the credit reporting agencies and debt collectors that are constantly violating the FCRA and the FDCPA federal laws. But as we go down, we talk about building credit, because we're focused on quality credit trade lines, not credit builder accounts that someone's trying to sell you to make a small affiliate fee from. Banks, credit repair business, credit repair cloud training. This is the software that you need to start a credit repair business. We also have a dispute letter library. So if you're stuck on what you should write, there are a ton of different templates that you can use, get a starting point for, and even put those into AI and reword them. But just everything that you are going to need: credit pulls, personal funding, business funding, ebooks. I even give you access to create your own digital products. So these are all different digital products that you can rebrand inside of your Canva account and either give as lead magnets or sell as your own. Man, there's so much in here. I don't think people realize the value of this. And it's for a low monthly fee. People are charging $5,000 or more for different programs like this that do not include as much. And there's no funding fee. I don't charge you anything else. The only thing that you would actually have to pay extra for are, credit reports, or if you want to book a one-on-one coaching call with me. But we have the group coaching calls. You can ask questions. I have Q&A calls where you can get on, ask questions, and don't have to pay anything more. And then you talk about business funding, business setup, how to set up your business properly, how to build business credit, okay? Business credit training, business credit trade lines. We have access to reliable shelf corporations or aged business, as some might call it, manufacturer spending, how to turn your credit cards into cash, how to start a rental car business, social media, how to bring your business online, email marketing, vending machine business, affiliate marketing, and there's still a page too. So I can go on and on, guys, but you see the value. One low monthly membership fee gets you access to everything inside, discounts on trade lines, a reliable source, live calls, and the great guidance of myself and others inside of the credit community. So if you are looking for a real solution to credit, join the credit community. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott. Make sure that you're subscribed, share with a friend, and most importantly, comment below and I'll send you the link to join the credit community. And just let me know you're here. Let me know if you're new, if you're returning, if you're watching. Comment below. Let me know something. I'll see you next time. Take care.